Hello students, in previous part we have studied about the reproductive part in earthworm. As we know that earthworm is hermaphrodite organism. It means the organism in which male and female both the sexual organs present. We have already discussed about the female reproductive system in earthworm. In this video we will discuss on male reproductive system in earthworm. Male reproductive system in earthworm. Firstly, we have to draw the diagram of earthworm. This is the prostomium. Mouth is segmented in first segments. Earthworm, male reproductive system. In male earthworm, there are two pairs of testes. Two pairs of testes. Earthworm में दो pairs testes होते हैं, which are present in 10th and 11th segments, which are present in 10th or 11th segments. We have to draw the from 10th segments, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 rather than 21. 10th, 11th, 12th, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and this one is the 21st. Two pairs of testes which are present in 10th और 11th segments. 10th और 11th segments के जो septum है यहाँ पर two pairs of testes present है. One pair in the 10th segments and other one is the 11th segments. This is the two pairs of testes. Testes are covered with testicular sacs. This is the testicular sac. In which testes are protected. And two pairs of seminal vesicle means seminal vesicles. Two pairs of seminal vesicle which are present in 11th and 12th segments. 11th and 12th 10th सेगमेंट्स की जो टेस्टिस हैं इनका जो सेमिनल वेसिकल है वो प्रेजेंट है 11th में, और जो 11th में टेस्टिस प्रेजेंट हैं उनका सेमिनल वेसिकल कहाँ प्रेजेंट है 12th में. टू पेयर्स ऑफ सेमिनल वेसिकल. Seminal vesicles. And after the seminal vesicles, one pair of tube arises from the testis. Testis से एक pair tube arises होती है. Means इस testis से which attached to the seminal vesicle यानी 10th सेगमेंट्स का जो टेस्टिस है यहाँ से जो ट्यूब अराइजेस होती है वो उसके अटैचमेंट 11 सेगमेंट में टेस्टिस सेमिनल वेसिकल प्रेजेंट है, उससे अटैचमेंट होती है एंड इट फॉर्म्स ए लॉन्ग ट्यूबुलर स्ट्रक्चर just like in this also it is attached to the seminal vesicle testes sperms are released through the testes and they stay in seminal vesicle well till they mature जब तक वो मैच्योर हो जाए तब तक कहाँ ठहरते हैं 11 सेगमेंट के टेस्टिस जो स्पर्म रिलीज किए जाते हैं वो सॉरी 10th के वो 11 सेगमेंट्स में सेमिनल वेसिकल वहां प्रेजेंट होती है, उसमें स्टोर होते हैं, मतलब स्टे करते हैं जब तक मैच्योर ना हो। इसी वे से जो दूसरे पेयर ऑफ टेस्टिस हैं कौन से 11 सेगमेंट्स के अंदर उनके सेमिनल वेसिकल का उनकी भी एक ट्यूबुल स्ट्रक्चर होती है जिसका अटैचमेंट जो है 12th सेगमेंट्स में प्रेजेंट सेमिनल वेसिकल से होता है। So these are the two pairs of vas deferens, one from the 10th segment testis and second from the 11 segments testis. There are two pairs of tubes. These are known as vas deferens, in which sperm moves. Then from 16 to 20th or 17 to 21st segments, long cylindrical structure present which is known as prostate gland. 16 to 20 or 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 or 17 to 21st. So we will draw, this is the cylindrical structure and this is one pair of prostate gland. Prostate gland. One pair of prostate gland which is present from 16 to 20th segments or 17 to 21st segments. These vas deferens reach to the up to 18th segments. Up to 18th segments. And in 18th segments from both sides a pore is also present which attaches the vas deferens with the prostate gland. And we know that in 18th segments one pair of male genital pore present in the earthworm. These are the male genital pore. Male genital pores. So you can see that one pair of male genital pores which is present in 18 segments. फीमेल में एक ही जेनिटल पोर होता है, एक सिंगल ओपनिंग जो कि सेंट्रली होती है, 14 सेगमेंट्स है क्लेटलम के अंदर। मेल में वन पेयर ऑफ ओपनिंग होती है मेल जेनिटल पोर्स जो कि 18 सेगमेंट्स के अंदर प्रेजेंट होती है। एंड वी आल्सो नो दैट इन 17th एंड 18th सेगमेंट्स, इन ईच 17 and 18 segments one pair of copulatory papillae also present. Seventeenth and 19th, these are copulatory papillae, one pair of 17 and one pair of 19, sorry, one pair in 19th segments copulatory papillae present. What is the function of copulatory papillae? Copulatory papillae help in to hold the partner while the copulation process or fusion process can take place. In 18th segment, male genital pore present through the sperms are ejaculate. This is the male reproductive system in arthro. Again, two pairs of testes present, one pair in 10 segments and another in 11 segments. Two pairs of seminal vesicle, 10th segment में जो one pair testis उसका seminal vesicle कहाँ है 11th में और 11th वाले का 12th में. इनका attachment होता है साथ में. Testes are covered in testicular sacs or testicular lobules. You can also say testicular lobules. Lobules or testicular sacs. What is the role of seminal vesicle? As the sperms released through the testes, they are immature. They stay in the seminal vesicle till the maturity, and after that they get maturity, they pass through the vas deferens and reach to the 18th segments, where the prostate gland attach with this vas deferens and form the two openings, that those are known as male genital pores. Through these pores the earthworm secretes sperms. This is the male reproductive system in earthworm.